Welcome to Zedam Astrology. This is your analysis for all the ascendants of the fire trine comprising Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire trine. Zedam Astrology is bringing to you your December reading for your tarot, and it speaks of your past, present, and future. So let's see what this reading is going to bring up for you, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. We have the bear, the dog, and heart in your past line. And this first row have a little bit of confusion or confused feelings about it. Um, you or a loyal friend of yours is trying to protect each other. You are trying to protect each other from whatever issues are arising right now and affecting you. You know, it was something that happened in the past, and there seems to be a little bit of tension, confusion, miscommunication, so that you may need to open up and communicate to avoid heartbreak, because you know you are trying to protect somebody who is loyal to you or who has been loyal to you, and you feel that your heart is breaking and that you know you feel passionate about this, that you have to protect this person, and it is a burden, the heavy burdens you both carry. It's a weight that is bearing you down and allowing negativity in your life. You know, you have to speak up as the leader you are. The bear says that you're a leader, you're a protector, you're not a follower. So lead the way in opening up the communication, the airwaves for that tension, that negativity to just be broken, so that you could understand that your loyalty is, you know, your passion, that you don't want to have that heartbreak. And then the second row, we speak to the snake, the tree, and the fox, so that somewhere now or within the near future, it would appear that some female family member, more than likely, will use this opportunity to manipulate the connection you have with your friend, or is using the distance that you have right now with your friend for their own gains. You know, they are manipulating you, but you are deeply rooted with this person who you have trusted over an aeon, over a long history, you know, and you only wish well. As the person here we're seeing in the line here with your friend, the 18, which is dog, the tree, you are deeply rooted here, you know. And if we take the snake here and knight it with the heart there, you would see that your heart could be broken, your heart could be manipulated, you're feeling a little bit betrayed. But you know, open up with the um, communication, and you would find that you may not have so much to worry about. Let's see what the future is bringing here for you. Lilies, clover, and book. So there are some things still hidden from you. There are secrets. Probably you're both keeping secrets from one another. You know, but the lilies is all about guidance. So somebody will set you straight about secrets and hidden agendas. And this will bring you happiness and luck. You know, so this is the lilies, the clover, the book. It's all about some underneath, underhand thing happening with you from the past that brought on the present, that will take you into the future if you don't deal with it. Open the communication airwaves, listen to the wise elder, and understand that not everybody have your good at heart. But you can trust this loyal friend. This friend has been loyal to you. You have deeply rooted with this friend. And you know, if you look at it here, the line with your friend goes through with the deep roots and goes through clover, and clover brings you happiness and luck. So this is what is going to happen with you, you know, with your friend. Understand the message here, and let us see what is the goddess, or who's the goddess who's coming for you. And the goddess is all about Souch, and Souch is all about grounding in terms of, you know, um, what it is you want to declare. When you feel adrift, let yourself be grounded by what you know. Your ancestors or elders will guide you to wisdom and acceptance of your circumstances and what you have to do for relief. You know, the abuse and torture of this ancestral goddess is, it's rife with awareness, but still allowing negativity to come in your life. So ground yourself. And you probably need to read the story of Sarah Bartman, who is um, the ideological figure behind this grounding goddess. And that, it's a lesson that we have to endure and accept, that, where we go wrong, where we fall short a little bit, where we don't listen to our hearts and our minds, so that this is what the grounding is all about. And then what is the Bhagavad Gita? Oh, sacrificial offerings. And this comes from chapter 3, verse 13, which tells the spiritually minded who eat food that is first offered in sacrifice are released from all kinds of sin. Others who cook food for their own enjoyment verily eat only sin. So it's just telling you that, take the intervention of the Lord, because offer yourself in prayer, offer some puja, as we say, or prayer, or some ritual that you believe in, that can bring you the message or divine essence from the Lord to guide you, because things are in play here for you, Fire Trine, that have you kind of tense. They have you in a negative forum. There are secrets. You don't want to believe the luck and the happiness that you have. Your friend absence from your life may very well be the key to you feeling grounded, so that the quarrel or the tension or the spat, whatever you had with this loyal friend, try to fix it. Get over whatever you have to get over and try to fix it, because this person really um, enhances your life, adds value to your life, so that you need to think about it, make the offering, sacrifice your pride, your ego, you know, to this person, so that you can benefit from his or her support or his or her presence in your life. So Fire Trine, be passionate about his friend. Be passionate, be eager, act on the divine message, act on the intervention that is required, so that this person can, you know, come into your life and remain in your life to offer you support and love. As you know, at Zidam Astrology, I always seek Bhagwan's blessings. I always bring his presence in my videos, because without him, I will not be where I am. So I wish to thank you for listening. I wish to thank you for joining me today, and hope that something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dreams. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again. Like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments for us to grow together. See you next time. Bye.